Hello students, today we're still talking about the excretory system. You'll need your journal, a pencil, and an electronic device. In your journal, title your page Excretory System Main Structures or Organs, and also title it Main Function is Waste Removal. Next, you would draw the main structures of the organs of the excretory system. All right, let me explain what you're looking at. This is the main structure of our excretory system. When you say excretory system, this is the picture you're most likely to see. Although there are other organs that we'll talk about later that are also part of the excretory system. We'll begin with the two bean-like shape organs in our excretory system that are called the kidneys. And the kidneys serve as a filter, just like you saw in the previous video of the water being filtered. And it filters out our blood. Our blood gets dirty because it's constantly picking up waste from the cells and other parts of the body. And what ends up collecting in the plasma of your blood, if you remember back to the centrifuge machine of the when we're spinning the test tubes around to look at the contents of blood when they're separated. If you remember, 65% of your total blood is urine. And this urine needs to be removed from your blood. And here's the place where it happens. So inside here are millions of little filters called nephrons. You may not see that word in the test, but just in case, be familiar with the word nephron. Nephron is the name of what the tiny little filters are in here. So picture millions of little coffee filters in here. And they're filtering your blood, taking out the urine, and letting the blood go back into your body system. But the urine then travels down these little tubes. These tubes are called ureters. Everybody pronounce that. I know it's a hard word. Ureter. One more time. Ureter. All right, so then the kidneys pass the urine through the ureter down into a sac where it's collected, and this is called the bladder. So when you feel that you really need to go number one, it's because your bladder is full, very full. Sometimes it can be so full you don't think you're going to be able to make it to the bathroom. So you do, the reason that you don't go to the bathroom when your bladder is very full is you have a muscle down here. And you can see these two little muscles right here that push up against this thing called the ureter. The ureter is where the urine comes out and leaves your body. Luckily, we have this muscle here that we can control, and we can decide when we're going to release it and when we're not going to release it. So this is the muscle that controls them. If you want to know what the name are, they are called sphincters. That's with the S, sphincters. That won't be on the test, but it's kind of interesting to know. And the urethra is the tube that leads the urine outside the body. And so this is exactly where it's at. It's where the urine is coming out of your body. Whether you're a boy or whether you're a girl, you have a urethra. So I want you to go ahead and draw the main structures of the excretory system. Write down kidneys are bean-shaped organs, so you remember what they look like. And kidneys filter out the blood and take out the waste. This is the main function of our kidney system. All right, in the next few videos, we're going to learn a little bit more about the other organs and how they also remove waste from our body. But when we're talking about the main organs and the main structure, this is what you should remember. All right, we'll get to drawing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.